Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto X40 and let me share with you how to soft reset your device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device does not respond to your touches and you have no idea what to do. You can try to force restart it, and in order to do that you have to simply press the power button, which is right here, and press it long enough to see the black screen and the developer's logo when your device will be restarting itself. So let me try to do it at least. Let me press the button and wait. Okay, as you can see, the device blacked out, and right now we can see the developer's logo, which simply means that your device will restart itself, and hopefully it will work normally after restarting. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to soft reset or force restart your Motorola Moto X40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.